Educators Day!
Hello, Kerry.
How are you? We have this gift for you and your team.
Thank you so much.
They will love it.
Thank you.
That's for Educators Day next Wednesday, and we thank you for everything that you do. You do an amazing job, and you're all amazing. Thank you. And look at this beautiful Indigenous artwork from Alira. So
Very
have that
beautiful.
to put up in your centre. It's beautiful.
Lovely.
So thank you. We really appreciate you.
And these are beautiful too. Thank you.
Today we are delivering a gift for our educators to celebrate Educators Day next Wednesday, the 2nd of September. You have one of the most challenging and fulfilling jobs, literally changing and shaping lives. And we are so grateful for you building relationships with families, children and the community. You are true professionals providing children with the best start at a crucial time in their lives. From Sesame Lane to you, we thank you. You are absolutely essential and we know it. Enjoy your day.
Oh yeah, you're essential.